Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So this time we're going to tell you how to fix the green screen on your smart TV. Now you have quite a few options, or rather I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot what might be the issue. Number one, it could be a connection issue. Make sure all your HD cables are plugged in securely, or if any cords look old and may need to replace them, you may need to do that. Number two, restart your TV. Turn it off, unplug it, wait for about 5 to 10 minutes, then plug it back in. If there's any external devices, restart those as well. Maybe switch to a different HD port. Maybe update your firmware. To do this, just go to Settings, System, then Software Update. You could go to your picture settings and reset them to default. If none of these things work, you could still do a factory reset. To do this, just go to Settings, System, then Advanced System Settings, then Factory Reset, and follow the prompts. If the problem still persists, you may need to call your TV manufacturer's customer support. That's it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching.